We got done with the Tesla Model X Clearbra, tint, and coating. Alright, so starting with the front, we have the full front end Clearbra completely. So that's the full bumper, the full hood, the full fenders, even the side mirrors. We did an EVS custom hood option with this, so no relief cuts, no seams on the hood whatsoever. Basically, we try to make it look as invisible as possible. Everything is hand trimmed, that way it's a perfect fit. And for the windows, we did photo sync 30 on the sides and the back. So pretty much the darkest legal you can do in Texas. As you can see, the front still look a little bit lighter than the back, and that's just because the back windows come dark from factory. But now at least all the windows are blocking heat. And this is what the back window looks like. It pretty much looks pitch black from the outside. And this is what the front windshield looks like. So we did photo sync 70, a lot clearer as you can tell, but the hue reduction for being so clear is incredible. Here's the interior view of the front windshield. Very clear. You can't even tell it's on there. Done in one piece as well, so there's no seam. And this is what it looks like on the side. So this is photo sync 30. That's what it looks like in the back, and that's the back window. So as you can see, it's a lot clearer looking out than looking in, which is good. And for the inside, all the white that you see have all been coated. It protects the interior from spills, stains, and things like that. And the cool thing with this too is that it'll also help with jean dye as well. So if you wear a lot of blue jeans, you'll notice over time with the bottom seat, you'll start seeing blue stains everywhere. With the coating, the jean dye won't get trapped into the seat so easily, so you can still clean it out. And for anyone else that's interested, we also offer certain coating packages that include not just the seats, but the carpets, the dash, the steering wheel even, and pretty much any other interior panels.